Welcome to Camp Raincloud. So you want to learn Python? Let's do it. Okay, now we said what's not math, let's do what's math. So in Thonny, you could just go down here and you start kicking it. But in other programs, you'll open up the shell and you'll type on Python or Python 3, depending on what you're doing. But in this, that's not the thing we need to do. We're just going to keep on rocking. So in Python, the interpreter acts like a calculator. That means just what it sounds like. You can use it to make math, digits and whatnot. 3 times 3 returns 9, and 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Cool. We also know the order of operations, so directly from the docs, we'll just take this beautiful equation. It was so thoughtfully constructed to show all of the things that the interpreter can do. That's the result of that equation using PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and some things to know about this. So if we'll clear the screen here. So with the math, if all the digits, all the pieces of the puzzle are integers, we will return an integer, and that doesn't matter which operation you do. The moment that you insert a float, the output will be converted into a float. And that could get in your way sometimes, but it's really, really good to know about. And floats can be as long as you want them to be. We have all the signs that we need to work with. Basic math stuff is all handled by the interpreter. It's understood. But the one that haven't talked about is the equal sign. And of course, that's because if you use the equal sign, you are declaring something. So what you're saying is anything on the left side of the equal sign is going to be forever, herein, always known as this value. So if we put 2 plus 2 equals 2, we can't have that happen. That's not at all a great thing. What the equal sign is used for is to actually declare, like it says here, assign to expression, assign a value. So we can say 2 equals 2 plus 2. We can pass that. Python likes that. It's fine. Totally cool. And now when we call 2, it'll say 4. The value of 2 is the result of 2 plus 2. Another fun thing to do with the equal sign is compare stuff together from the docs. Again, boom. We can use the equal sign to ask if two things are equal to each other, and it will return a truthy statement, a boolean, a true or false. Yeah, you need to know about it because it's not equals. You can't ask Python if 2 plus 2 equals 5. It's not going to happen. But you can ask if 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, and that will return false because of course, 2 plus 2 is 4, or as we know, the value of the variable 2. You can also take it a step further and ask if something is not equal using the exclamation point. So you've got all the values that you want to find. You've got all the equation possibilities that you would want to use. So you've got this basic little bit of calculator in your Python, and you're going on and you're doing it, and you're running equations mad like crazy. But what happens when you want to know what the last value was? You cleared your script. Now what? Sure, you could just hit up and do that. But that's no fun. Python gave us this little doodad, which I think is personally, is a really neat thing to find out. Underscore holds the last value. So in this case, it would be 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So that's kind of like hitting plus, or just carrying on after you work out your calculator stuff. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 underscore plus 2. Yes. Yeah, just let me know if you like this stuff. Like and subscribe. I'd love to make some more of it. It's been a lot of fun to make these little short videos on this stuff, and using these old cameras and gear has been a lot of fun. If you want to see the switch I made, let me know. If you want me to turn it into a robot, let me know. How about stepper motors on VHS? Do something about it. Let's go. Thank you.